Hello, your number one Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report from my friend 66 Domino right around Boston on this RCI-2995DXHP. We got you ready to go, bud. You also added the echo. We put it right there for you. You've got your high cut filter in the back, amp switch, as well as your top back. Clarifier mod, power supply upgrade, all the audio and power mods. Let's just get right to it. Well, as soon as I change this duct plug and slug here, we're going to put the 250 over here in average. We're going to put the 500 over here in peak. RF power all the way down. It's set at 5 watts all the way down, so you got full adjustability. 60 all the way up. Show you average power swing. So about 135, maybe 140. 500 watt slug in peak. So 300 watts on the money. Alright, Domino, we're going to get it out to you, man. I really appreciate it once again for adding to your collection yet another Truckerized radio from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.